This is one of the beautiful mosques in Kathmandu, the Kashmiri Masjid. Nicely green color paint, and you can see the top of the domes. Very nicely laid out mosque. You can see the top part, so you can offer prayers from there also. And that's the main area. So this mosque was built in the 15th century and is one of Nepal's oldest mosques. So this mosque is divided into 3 sections: a prayer hall, an annex, and a madrasah. It looks very beautiful. I am at the balcony over there, and then from the view from here is very good. So I believe that's the madrasah where students come and learn religious stuff. So that's the view from here. There is a nice pond or fountain in the middle. Big greenery over there. So all in all, very good. Very nice color. That's the important thing. Against the dome. So the prayers are going on in that corner. Okay, that is, I believe, a tomb. So the information I got, these are the graves of Haji Mishkin Shah and Khwaja Gyasuddin Shah. So some of very good teachings of Islam. And people are coming to offer prayers. So these were tombs. Very nicely laid out. You can see the chandeliers. 2 more tombs here. So this is a view from outside. Before that I was standing there and taking some shots. Very quiet here. Some works are going on. And also there is a nice garden over here, which I believe is also maintained very well. You can see the gardens. That's Nepali Jamia Masjid. It's near to the Kashmiri Jamia Masjid, so it's easy to come over here from there. So that's the Nepali Jamia Masjid. Unfortunately, I can't take photos, videos inside the prayer hall. There are signs over there. So in this mosque, I can't go inside and take the prayer hall photos. The small market over here. Okay. So nice. Mainly dates and all stuff. It's just by the mosque. I think these are stuff from the Arab world, like dates. Okay, that is Jamia Masjid Patan. It is just a small mosque in Lalitpur. So I'm just covering some mosque just for information. So that's the prayer going on. So there is a small praying area here also. That's the prayer timings.